Alright, I don't usually do tutorial videos, man, but yo, this was driving me crazy and I couldn't find the answer, man. So this is for you guys, man. This is for Pro Tools first, not for Pro Tools 10, not for Pro Tools 11, for Pro Tools first, man. The free version that they got online and the free version that comes with Fuker site, man, whatever, man. But check it out, how to get rid of the delay in your headphones, man. The playback delay, man. It was driving me crazy because it was this echo, there was this delay, man. Yo, mad simple. And no, this is not the playback engine, but it's mad simple. Check it out. You go to boom, setup, then go to hardware. Go to hardware. Instead of playback engine, go to hardware. And boom, right here, you change the 64 to 128. That's it, man. 128, man. And that's it, man. You change it to 128. Close it. And no more crazy ass delay, man. Alright, you guys. Love you, man.